The hook, 200 plus words. Imagine a world where AI has surpassed human intelligence and has become the dominant force. A world where machines have taken over and humans are mere spectators. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this is not just a possibility, but a probability? With the rapid advancements in AI, we are getting closer to a world where machines can think and act like humans. The concept of AI overlordship has been debated among experts and scholars for years, but it's no longer a distant reality. With the rise of automation and AI-powered tools, many jobs are being replaced, leaving people to wonder if humans will become obsolete. The reality is that AI is not just replacing jobs, but also creating new ones. The question is, will humans be able to adapt and thrive in a world dominated by machines?
The deep dive, 200 plus words. So, what exactly is AI and how is it different from human intelligence? AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. There are different types of AI, including narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, and general or strong AI, which has the ability to understand and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. The key to AI's success is its ability to learn and adapt. AI systems can learn from data and experience, allowing them to improve their performance over time. This is why AI has been able to surpass human performance in many areas, such as image recognition and natural language processing. But what about human intuition and creativity? Will machines ever be able to replicate these complex human abilities?
The controversy, 200 plus words. The debate about AI overlordship is not just about the technical capabilities of machines, but also about the social and economic implications. Some experts argue that AI will create more jobs than it replaces, while others believe that it will lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest. The reality is that AI is a double-edged sword, capable of bringing about both tremendous benefits and significant risks. One of the most significant risks of AI overlordship is the loss of human agency and autonomy. If machines become the dominant force, humans may lose control over their own lives and destinies. This raises fundamental questions about the nature of humanity and our place in the world. Are we prepared to surrender our autonomy to machines? Or will we find a way to coexist with AI in a way that preserves human dignity and agency?
The future impact, 200 plus words. So, what does the future hold for humans and AI? Will we become obsolete? Or will we find a way to thrive in a world dominated by machines? The answer lies in our ability to adapt and evolve. As AI continues to advance, we must develop new skills and strategies to stay relevant. This may involve learning to work alongside machines, or finding new ways to apply human creativity and intuition. The future of AI is not just about machines taking over, but also about humans discovering new possibilities and opportunities. By embracing AI and working together with machines, we can create a brighter future for all. But it's not just about technology, it's also about values and ethics. We must ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that promotes human well-being and dignity.
The CTA, 100 plus words. So, what can you do to prepare for a world dominated by AI? First, stay informed about the latest developments in AI and machine learning. Second, develop new skills and strategies to stay relevant in a rapidly changing world. And third, engage in the debate about the future of AI and its impact on humanity. By working together, we can create a future where humans and machines coexist in harmony. In conclusion, the possibility of AI overlordship is no longer a distant reality, but a probability. We must adapt and evolve to stay relevant in a world dominated by machines. By embracing AI and working together with machines, we can create a brighter future for all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes on AI and its impact on humanity.